Hello Python programmers, I am Arshad and welcome to Programming with Arshad. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an AI using Python. In this video, we will be using Python module. So far, we have discussed in this video series of advanced Python tutorials. So before watching this video, I am requesting you to watch this video series of advanced Python tutorials completely. The link of this playlist is available in description. Before starting this video, if you are new to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit this bell icon to get latest updates. In this present world, we are familiar with Google Assistant, Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Windows Cortana. Now in this video, we will code an desktop assistant which will definitely replace us Windows Cortana. Without wasting time, I am opening my Visual Studio Code. Before coding, first of all, we will see what are the prerequisites of an virtual assistant. First, it should have ability to speak, and also it should have ability to recognize our speech. After recognizing, it should perform a specific action according to our speech. We will solve this first one. It should have ability to speak. If you have followed my playlist, our third video in this playlist is about text to speech conversion in Python programming language. So this is the Python file which we had discussed in that video. I am just copying this code and then I am pasting this code in this desktop assistant.py file. We had discussed each and every line of this code in the text to speech conversion video. First of all, we are importing Python.Virtual module. After importing, we are declaring a variable named as engine which will inherit the properties of init class present in Python.Virtual module, and then we are giving a parameter of a text to speech engine named as happy5. After that, we had created a function named as speak. Whenever I call this speak function, I will give here a string value which will be assigned to this text parameter. After assigning to this text parameter, engine.say method will convert the text whatever I had given in this speak function into speech. And also we had seen how to change the voices from male to female, and also we had seen how to change the rate of the voice by using this get property and set property method. Now I am just removing this line. Whenever I will run my assistant, I want my assistant to wish me. For that I am just creating a function named as startup. I am just giving pass keyword here because I don't want anything to do in this function right now. I am importing time module. We had also seen how to use time module. Now I am declaring here a variable named as hour which will get our current hour using this time module, strf time method and %h. And I want this hour to be in int format. If our hour is greater than or equal to 0, and also if our hour is less than 12, I am declaring a variable named as wish, and I am providing here the text of good morning. And if our hour is greater than or equal to 12, and also our hour is less than 16, our wish will be good afternoon. Else our wish will be good evening. I have simply declared a variable named as wish here which will wish me as good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Now we will code something in this startup method. First of all, I wanna print wish, and also I am concatenating this with my name which is Arshad. After printing, I also want my assistant to wish me. I am using now speak function here. After wishing, I want my assistant to just tell me as I am your personal assistant. I am copying this line again and I am instead of print I am using speak method here. Now I am calling this function startup and now I am running my program.
Good morning, Arshad. I am your personal assistant.
Now you can see here my assistant had told good morning Arshad, I am your personal assistant. With this we had solved our first prerequisite. Now we will see our second one. It should have ability to recognize our speech. If you are following this playlist, then our second video is about speech to text conversion. I am opening this speech to text.py file and I am copying this to my desktop assistant.py file. I am doing slight modifications in this program, that is I am using speak function and also I want my assistant to speak as I am listening. Now I want this take command function to return my speech, so I am using return keyword here which will return speech. Before returning speech I want my speech to in lowercase, so I am using speech is equal to speech.lower method. Now I am running this program again.
Good morning, Arshad. I am your personal assistant. I am listening.
Hello personal assistant, how are you? You can see here it has recognized hello my assistant, how are you? Okay, let it be. Our second prerequisite has been solved. Now we will see this third one. After recognizing speech, it should perform a specific action according to this speech. So I am simply using if else conditions here, nothing more than that. Now here I am creating another function named as action. Now I am declaring here the variable named as my query. And I am assigning take command function to this variable. Now if I say open WhatsApp, if open WhatsApp is in my query, then I want my assistant to open WhatsApp. For that I am importing web browser module. We had seen how to use web browser module also. And from this web browser.py file, I am copying this line which will open WhatsApp. And I am pasting this here. We are using webbrowser.get method to get the path of our Chrome file, and then we are using open method to open our website. Now if I say open Facebook, then I want my assistant to open Facebook. For that I am searching for Facebook. Here it is. I am just copying this line of code and then I am pasting here. If I told open camera to my assistant, then I want my assistant to open camera. We had seen how to open camera using OS module. So first of all I am importing OS module in my desktop assistant.py file. Now I am opening this OS module.py file and I am just copying this line of code which will open camera for me. And I am pasting this here. Now if I say open control panel, now I am just copying this line of code which will open my control panel. And finally I am declaring else here, else just print I am unable to recognize, and also speak I am unable to recognize. Now I am just calling this function named action. I am running this program once again.
Good morning, Arshad. I am your personal assistant. I am listening.
Open control panel. You can see here it has opened my control panel. Now we will do some extra stuff here, like while opening control panel you must also speak opening control panel. While opening camera, I want my assistant to speak as opening camera. While opening Facebook also, I want my assistant to speak as opening Facebook. While opening WhatsApp also, I want to do the same thing. Now if I say commands anything other than these four commands, it will just say I am unable to recognize. But we don't want that. We want to perform it something. Now you can see here, if I say open Instagram, it won't do anything. It will just speak I am unable to recognize. I don't want that. So I am using another elif here and I am giving here text of if there is open or what or why or how in my query, then I want to perform that things also. So we had already seen how to use and how to automate our systems using Python.Virtual module. We had seen in this video. We had seen how to use Python.Virtual module to automate our system. I am importing here Python.Virtual module. Import Python.Virtual. First of all, if I ask anything, I want my assistant to open Google. So I am copying this line of web browser and I am just pasting here and I am changing this from Facebook to Google. Now I want my function to hold for a few seconds. For that I am using time.sleep method here. And I am giving here 3 seconds of time. After holding my program for 3 seconds, I am using Python.Virtual module. And I am using Python.Virtual module and write method to write my query here with an interval of 0.05 seconds. After writing, I want my assistant to hit enter. For that I am using Python.Virtual dot press method and I am here using enter key. After entering, I just want my assistant to speak as I found this. Now I am running this program here, and after running this program I will ask a simple question as what is artificial intelligence?
Good morning, Arshad. I am your personal assistant. I am listening.
What is artificial intelligence? You can see here it has opened my Google and it is typing what is artificial
I found
intelligence.
this.
And it has hit enter and also it told I found this. Okay, it's pretty good up to now. If you are not understanding what are these write methods and what are these press methods and what are this system and why we are using start file method here, then I am requesting you to watch this automating system using Python.Virtual module and OS module in Python. It's pretty good up to now, but whenever I run this program I don't want my assistant to listen. If you remember, our first video in this video series is about basics of TK enter. Now I am importing TK enter module here. With the help of this TK enter module, we will convert our assistant into graphical user interface. No, I am not calling this action function here. I am opening this tkentertutorial.py file. I am copying all the things we had done in this first video and I am just pasting it here. Now I am removing this perform method. We are creating an object for tk class and I am removing this geometry and I don't want this geometry now, and I am giving here title of desktop assistant. And in this label I am changing text from hello Python programmers to hello Arshad. And I want to enter into new line and I just want to show I am your personal assistant. And again I am entering into a new line and I am giving here the text of please click on help. And I am packing this label and then in this button method I am changing this text from click on me to help. And I am changing this command from perform to action. Now I want this button to look somewhat good. For that I am just changing background of this button using fg parameter and I am changing its background into blue. After changing its background, I am also changing its font, the same font which I had used in this label, that is Times New Roman and font size 25. I am just copying this one, I am pasting this here. And I don't want the size of the font to be 25 pixel, I am just changing it into 15. Now we will run this code.
Good morning Arshad. I am your personal assistant.
It has shown me that name tk is not defined because I don't want to import tkinter in this manner. From tkinter import all. Now it will work perfectly.
Good morning Arshad. I am your personal assistant.
You can see it has just opened a window here. In this window you can see here, hello Arshad, I am your personal assistant, click on help. And now I am just clicking on this help button.
I am listening.
Okay, how can you help me? It's simply opening Google and then typing how can you help me.
I found this.
After that it's hitting enter. That's what we had done in this code. It's pretty good up to now. Now I am changing this background color here as black. And now I am changing foreground as white. After changing this thing, I just want to say my assistant to click on help here. In this startup method I am using print function to just say please click on help. And I am copying this same line and I am changing this in, and I also want my assistant to speak this. Now we will give some other conditions here, which is if I say open my website, now I want my assistant to open my personal website. For that I am using this web browser module and this I am copying these lines and I am changing this website. After changing website, I also want my assistant to speak opening your personal website. I am running this program once again and let's see how it will work.
Good morning Arshad. I am your personal assistant. Please click on help.
Okay, now I am clicking on this help.
I am listening.
Hello assistant, can you please open my website for me?
Opening your personnel website.
You can see here it has opened my personal website. You can also add here more if conditions. You can also add open GitHub. Also use another if condition. If anyone asks how are you to my assistant, then my assistant should reply I am fine, and again my assistant should ask what about you. You can also do lot of things here by again using some if conditions. The source code of this desktop assistant is available in GitHub page. The link of that GitHub page will be available in description. I hope you like this video. That's all in this video guys. We have seen how to create our personal assistant using Python. We have seen how to use PyTTSXT module, speech recognition module, time module, web browser module in previous videos. And by using all of this module, we have just created an amazing desktop assistant which will take command from us and it will perform action according to that command. That's all in this video guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Arshad. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye. I will see you next time with another amazing video.